In the late 20th century, a new breed of pioneers emerged, not as explorers of continents or conquerors of oceans, but as dreamers and innovators of the frontier beyond our own world. These were the private space companies, challenging the dominance of government-led space exploration. The year was 1982. Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur, founded SpaceX, a company aimed at reducing space transportation costs and making life multiplanetary. Inspired by the promise of the cosmos, Musk envisioned a future where humanity could explore the universe with unprecedented speed and efficiency. The world watched with bated breath as SpaceX successfully launched its Falcon 1, the first privately funded liquid-fueled orbital rocket, on March 24, 2008. This was a turning point, a beacon of hope for those who dreamt of private companies redefining the space industry. Meanwhile, in Hawthorne, California, another private space company, Virgin Galactic, was making strides in suborbital space travel. Founded by Richard Branson, the company aimed to make space travel accessible to the average person, not just astronauts. In 2018, Virgin Galactic's Spaceship Two, VSS Unity, soared into the skies, reaching the edge of space, marking a significant achievement in the realm of private space exploration. Branson himself was there, experiencing the cosmic embrace, living the dream he had nurtured for so long. However, the journey was fraught with challenges. SpaceX faced several setbacks, including the explosion of the Falcon 1 in 2008 and the tragic loss of the Falcon 9 in 2016. Yet, each setback only served to strengthen Musk's resolve, pushing him to innovate and persevere. In the face of adversity, private space companies demonstrated resilience, proving that they were more than just companies. They were a testament to human ingenuity, daring to dream of the cosmos and having the audacity to make those dreams a reality. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, the private space industry continues to evolve, with companies like Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, and SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The cosmos beckons, and these pioneers stand ready to answer the call, driven by the same spirit of adventure that has defined humanity since time immemorial. In this age of private space exploration, we find ourselves at the dawn of a new era, where the cosmos is no longer the exclusive domain of governments, but a playground for the dreams and ambitions of private companies. The future is vast, the universe is wide, and the private space companies are ready to take us there, one small step at a time.